Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how TypeError unsupported operand types for plus set and str. This error occurs when you try to concatenate a set and a string using the plus operator, which is not supported in Python. In Python, you can only concatenate strings with strings, and sets with other sets or iterable objects. Here is an example of converting a set to a string and concatenating it with another string. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. In this case, you're trying to add the set_object and string_object using the plus operator, but since they are of different data types, Python raises a type error. To fix this error, you need to convert the set object to a string object, or vice versa, before concatenating them. You can use the str function to convert the set object to a string, like this. Now let's run this example code. Here is the output you will get. This will convert the set object to a string representation, in this case, apple, banana, orange, and concatenate it with the string object string_object. The resulting value of result would be apple, banana, orange, fruit. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.